Okay, you're trying to grow a business. You're trying to get your brand out there. If you're in the music, if you're a realtor, whatever you're doing, you need to get your brand in front of people. So you go down a rabbit hole. You go on YouTube, you look at all of these videos, looking at people like me, and algorithm. Everything's talking about the algorithm. Put your hashtag here. Make sure you do this. Make sure you do that. Use TubeBuddy. Use this app, and it'll help you. Algorithm. Let me tell you something, okay? I'm sorry to break it to you. I've been in this business for several years, and I promoted several different brands, okay? All over the United States. And let me tell you, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of these platforms, YouTube, this is not a charity case, people. These are big businesses and they want you to pay. They want you to pay for ads, okay? Yes, follow the rules. Follow the algorithmic rules. Try to trick the algorithm. But at the same time, we're in the business, folks, okay? We're trying to run a business. We're trying to build a brand. So we have to know that we have to pay money for that. So while you're doing what you're supposed to do for the algorithms to push your brand, at the same time, please remember that all of these platforms want you to spend money for ads. And when you do spend money on your ads correctly, it pretty much throws jet fuel on everything that you're doing correctly, okay? So if you want more information like this, follow my page. Appreciate your time.